Say it. Okay. Okay.
Well, this thing isn't indexed.
Sit next to your brother, please, Quinn.
I want an index so I can look up certain weeds.
Come on, you silly.
Maybe that's why it was sitting in the recycling.
Come on, you silly. You need to get off of here.
Meaning the department's had it for a long time, or you personally have had it?
We've had it for a long time.
I get this Forester thing, a little pamphlet, maybe 4 times a year or something. I don't know. Anyway,
I don't know. What does it say on there?
on invasive by some woman that's a forester, I think. And she was telling when to bother and when not to bother, or what that you should map out a plan. And,
What does it say on there, guys? Gesundheit.
and she was saying
Gesundheit.
that, if you've got 5 invasive plants,
Wow, okay,
we'll
Gesundheit.
work on them.
Can you read what it
If you've
says?
got it,
Can I open the plastic? I think you almost got it.
I'm listening.
if you've got an acre,
You've got upside down,
put that
I
low
think.
on your priority,
Right.
because you can't conquer.
Right.
Well, we'll
Maybe
just find
it's
out,
a
won't we?
Yu-Gi-Oh card movie.
Oh, look.
What is it?
What is it? I don't know.
Food?
I think it is.
You think it's food?
It's a Yu-Gi-Oh!
Is it-
Yu-Gi-Oh! Candy bar.
Is it Yu-Gi-Oh? What's on there?
Maybe it's Yu-Gi-Oh card.
Gosh, what a fancy box.
It says,
Awful fancy.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Gold Series 3, 25 cards per pack.
25 cards.
Yours says the same thing, Quinn. Yu-Gi-Oh! Gold Series 3, 25 cards per pack.
It's gold. It means it's gold Yu-Gi-Oh
Means
card.
I think they're all really powerful cards.
Yeah! Ooh. Really powerful. Get food. Oh, and here's the rocket gun card.
Becky, I got 2 instead of 1.
I'll put that with your Bakugan card.
Well,
You wanna
I think
say
it's
thank
all
you?
for me.
Thank you. I don't know.
Grandma Rainery.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
Thank you, Grandma Rainory.
I think she could hear you. Quinn, I don't think she heard you, though.
He's focused on the card.
Thank you, Grandma Rainory.
All right.